Alright, so we have our man and dog as the subject, and we are now going to white balance the camera. Now usually you do want to decide your iris setting before you white balance. Just to show you what the image looks like, I'm going to record the image. That camera. Okay, so right now we are going to attempt to play with the iris a little bit. That looks a little hot. It might be alright. You're going to bring up the menu by flipping that little switch there, and you see the iris menu comes up, which is good. So we can darken the image by closing the iris. We can let more light in by doing the plus sign. As you see, it's very, very bright. So what we'll do, and that looks pretty good. So eyeball it. It's at 2.0 f-stop there. Okay, and then now we are going to white balance. Okay, so you see the WB. WB, of course, means white balance. You're going to push up on the up button on the control panel here. And now what happens, if you look carefully here, that's AWB for auto white balance. That's the incandescent lights, indoor lighting. That's outdoor lighting. See how yellow it becomes? The image becomes very yellow there because we are shooting indoors, but it's on the outdoor setting. We want to do manual. And now you see a little envelope appears. As students like to call that the envelope icon. That means it's manual. That is a uniform icon in all cameras for white balance if you want to do manual white balance. We're going to do that now. You're going to want to reflect light into the camera. So you don't want to hold it like this. You want to hold it so that it will reflect the light in the room or outside a little bit into the camera, because it's really doing color temperature of the light that it's adjusting. Alright, so we're going to do that. And then you're going to hold down that button and it should go black. And release it, and then you just kind of eyeball it, and that does look a lot better, the lighting there. It still looks a little bit dark to me, so I would probably add a backlight or something. You sort of